How to copy YouTube Shorts link. Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to copy YouTube Shorts link. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And show you how to do it. Alright, open YouTube. And click on Shorts or Open Shorts. This history. Click on View All. Scroll down and search your shorts. Alright, shorts. Click on pause and click on right corner share. Alright. Telegram, WhatsApp, mail, message, or Viber, or Snapchat, and more. 3 dots. Alright. And click on copy link. Alright, copy it. Click on comment and check. Press and click on paste. Alright. This link copied. And click on share or Telegram, WhatsApp, mail, message, Viber, Snapchat, and more. And click on WhatsApp. YouTube wants to open WhatsApp. Click on open. And search your contact. Click on and click on next or new group. Alright. That's all.